is truly my thing. Like, I really enjoy being outdoors. Like, for some reason, that is so healing for me. Like, just putting my hands in the dirt and playing with the soil and replanting something or watching something turn from just a seed as small as a lime seed and then see it grow up to what it is right now is just amazing. And some of these plants that you've seen, they were like growing since I was living in Georgia, and I'm in Texas now. And they were like, I started those from a seed, and to see them sprout up is just amazing. It's almost like you taking care of a baby and just seeing it grow into what it's supposed to grow into. It is so amazing. And when I'm outdoors, just the wind blowing to the birds flying and the bugs and the insects just flying and you swatting them out your face, there's something about that I feel like, man, one day I'm gonna have that land. One day I'm gonna have that space and all that acreage where I could just plant up and grow and eat off the earth and just walk barefooted through the soil. And man, remind me of the island life when I was coming up. But yeah, that was just a little video of me just putting something together real quick. Nothing crazy, nothing where you just have to be like, oh, I want more. If you want more, I got you. But until then, just something soft and subtle and, just to put together. I like creating videos as well. And I like just being out in nature. I like creating videos. I like watching videos and grasping knowledge. I like a lot of little different things and mainly outdoors. And I just wanted to just film that because you never know what's going to come out of the video. And God is good. God is always in the midst of everything that I have going on. And that's what I'm usually doing when the wife is out and she's going to get her nails done or taking the baby to the doctor or whatever. I'm just outside, staying busy, staying on my feet to the point that I'd be like, man, I got to get off my feet. I got to relax. But I just keep going and going and going. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you've seen something hope it inspires you to get out there and be in the nature and just enjoy it and slow down a bit too, because we're looking for things and stuff to keep us busy. But sometimes it's simple as just replanting an apple seed that you ate from, or a lime that you squeezed, or whatever, lemongrass, and all these different plants and herbs that I put out there. And some of those stuff was so tiny, but to see them big now is like how the Lord's growing us in our faith and our everyday walk with Christ. Because when we first started off, we were stumbling and we didn't know which way to go, and we were falling back into our old ways and all these different things. But now we're just growing, and he's probably proud of us knowing that we're sharing the gospel and using our platforms to do so, and not just use it to do it for our own pleasing and to make money and to all these different chasing wealth, but to just inspire others, help others, and just, share our life. And before I even started posting, that's another thing. And last thing before I go, I was like, why am I even gonna post? What am I gonna post and talk about? Like, my life is not exciting. I do the same thing over and over. But you just never know who might be interested and who I could help in sharing what I do and sharing my daily tasks and chores and stuff like that. You just never know who is helping, what is healing for other people, because there's been some videos I put all my effort into and I'm like, yeah, I believe this is it. And then it just turned out and it flops. And it's like, it didn't go nowhere. But videos as simple that I think that nobody's gonna really care about that, or I don't feel like doing that, turn out to be some amazing videos. So take care of yourself, be uplifting, be inspiring to others, and just continue to grow in your faith, grow in your knowledge, and chase the Lord and keep him tied into the center of everything that you have going on, because you just never know how and what you're gonna end up doing. And some stuff I'm still blown away by, like what the Lord has taken me through and where he's brought me to the point in my mind and my understanding. I'm like, I could have never guessed in a million years this is where I would be, or I would be even on YouTube. So many days and years I watched people do YouTube and I enjoyed watching it and it was entertaining, but I never seen me being on here and creating a platform, starting from scratch and just finally taking that leap and saying, forget the views, forget the comments, forget all that stuff. I just want to share and I just want to post, and that's what I'm doing. Hope you enjoy. Hope you love the channel. If you like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible in posting at least once a week to twice a week, maybe even every day if possible, because I ain't got nothing else better to do. And you know, besides raising my kids and being a good husband to my family and a good leader and following Christ and all those good things. I have a lot of free time on my hand, and I rather not spend it scrolling and just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, because you know how that could go. You get caught up in the scrolling, and next thing you know, you ain't achieve anything for your day. And then you just, oh, I wonder and I wish and I wish. But yeah, I love outdoors. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, hope you enjoyed it, and hope whatever you could pick from my story and my day and my video that gives you inspirational and vibes and good feeling. And it was just all about positivity over here. No negativity, just positive, and just hoping people wake up and take it easy and slow down. Have a blessed day. See you on the next time. And remember, lead with kindness, because we can all be mean and grumpy, but kindness is what's going to take over, and let's make it contagious. Love y'all. Take care.